All right, let's take a quick weather throwback. These are photos from back in January of 2002, courtesy of the National Weather Service Atlanta office. This is one of the biggest snowstorms since March of 1993 that hit central and north Georgia. The storm started on January 2nd and it did not wrap up until midday on the 3rd. Much of north and central Georgia picked up 3 to 4 inches of snow, which, as we know, is a huge deal. But some areas even saw more than that. A wide 100-mile stretch from LaGrange to Atlanta to Athens saw 4 to 6 inches. In the jackpot zones, places like Luthersville to Thomason and from Gainesville to Homer picked up 6 to 8 inches of snow. It was one of those storms that shut things down, made history, and reminded us that, yes, Georgia can do snow, only sometimes.